Heavy rains in St. Thomas flooded the Yallahs main road earlier today. Now, as Sandy Williams reports, the flooding affected both motorists and pedestrians.
In less than 2 hours, the Yallahs main road in St. Thomas changed from this to this as heavy rains lashed the southeastern parish. The road, which is being widened as part of the highway project, was completely covered with flood waters, restricting movements for some pedestrians.
Look at it. Look at the water down there. Look down there. How me haul all the man who are 70-year-old for cross to say a water here. Terribly, 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 terrible.
Yes, my friend, it's terrible.
Terrible, bad, it's terrible.
Because
how me have to cross this now?
We have to go swim, city boy. We have to go swim it out.
Hey.
They are alive. We have to swim it out.
I didn't know how to put my foot because I know my foot broken in the water.
Some motorists were willing to brave the seemingly dangerous flood, maneuvering the hidden road surface, which they claim has been in a deplorable state for some time now. Several vehicles made it through the water safely. However, this truck was not so lucky.
The road, long time it stays so, and this it not solve. Here come about. And the drain down there so block up. Man, road block up the drain.
If these drains were cleaned, we wouldn't be subjected to this level of indignity out here. We can't move from point A to point B. It's just, this is ridiculous. This is pure madness. Who is responsible? Who is on the job?
Shortly after the rain subsided, a team from the Highway Improvement Project was seen clearing the trenches along the roadside to allow the water to run off. But the people claim that's not enough.
We need the drain to clean, that the vehicle can go through because truck stuck in it since morning and tractor to take out the truck. This is totally slackness.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.